Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is what we're gonna make today. These are cookies, but we can't say the word cookies right now because it's like trademarked and copyrighted. So we're going to go with can coolers. So we're going to make these really cute cookies and super cheap, super easy. Your guests are going to love these. So stick around, have fun, and let's get started. All right, this is what we're going to need for our craft today. White paint, paintbrush, gloves so you don't get your hands dirty with the paint, glue gun and glue sticks, scissors, astroturf to make our koozies, and if you click on the link below, you can download the stencils. These are the ones we're going to use. All right, let's get started. This is a silicone mat just for me to put my glue gun on top of, and my paint because it's easier to clean. And I don't have to waste like paper plates or anything. So put some paint on your mat. Gloves on. So now that you have your gloves on, this is the astroturf. They sell it in like big spools like this, and it's super cheap. You can make like 25 out of this, and it was like $5 at Lowe's, so super cheap. So you're gonna cut it to 8.75 by 3.5. It fits your regular 12-ounce can. So now that you've cut your astroturf to the size that you want, you have your stencil. You can either cut it in your Cricut, Silhouette, or X-Acto knife. Put it on top of your astroturf after you cut it. And to make sure, you want to turn it over, make sure it's completely covered, and then you flip. And now to apply the paint, don't paint over it like a canvas. You want to make sure you dab the paint on. Lots of paint like that. Yeah, make sure you really dab the paint. All right. Now that you've had covered your paint, lift it up. And there you have it. Super easy, super cheap, and your guests are going to love it. And if you want, you can make your stencil smaller and do and just put your stencil on the football field or just by themselves like this. Now that you're done with this, you can either wait like 24 hours for the paint to dry, or if you have a small foot heater, fan heater, you can turn it on and they'll be ready in like about an hour or so. You want to grab your drink, and I'm going to cut a piece of this silicone mat. That way the glue does not stick to my can when I try to glue it together. I'll grab it, put it right under the seam. Put in your glue. And close it tight. Just like that. That way when it dries, you can just peel that off and reuse it, just like that. In the description below, there is also a font you can download if you want to personalize your cookies. Well, thank you guys. Hope you enjoy the craft. Please like, share, subscribe. I also have a Facebook group that I'll put the link in the description that goes along with my channel. If you do with the crafts, please post pictures. I would love to see them. And thank you. Later.